Good afternoon, guys. This is going to be another short, so let's get started. We all know that there are different torch tips. We have number 4, we have a number 5, we have a number 7. These are going to be pretty standard tips for repairs. The 4, and this is general guidelines. The 4 will be for finer work, very thin shanks, prong work, things of that nature. Setting heads. The 5 is a more general purpose torch tip. It's going to be for doing your ring shanks, annealing small pieces of gold, etc. And then your number 7 you will use for doing large pieces of silver or large pieces of gold. And you're going to want to up your pressures on the number 7 tip to 8 on your oxygen and 10 on your propane, okay? And don't forget to dial it back when you're done. Okay, so this is a number 5 and we're going to use it to demonstrate. There are 3 main types of flames that you're going to use, okay? We're going to start with the widest usage, which is the annealing flame. So if you look here, you'll notice that the cone is not well defined. It's kind of spread out, and then you have a large outer cone, okay? This is referred to as an annealing flame. And so you would take this over your piece of metal up high and then slowly work your way down and go faster and faster and faster as that metal comes up to temperature. We'll do a lesson on annealing as well. It'll be a quick one. So from your annealing flame, if you add just a little more oxygen, you will see that you get what's called a working flame. This is a little bit sharp, so let's dial it back some. There. You'll notice that your outer cone is mostly blue with a few flecks of red, but that your inner cone is much more defined, but it's not super sharp yet, okay? So this is a neutral flame or a working flame. This is what you're going to do most of your work with. And then lastly is an oxidizing flame. And now you can see the outer cone is laced heavily with red, and it has a whitish blue center to it, and the cone is very sharp, okay? This is used for cutting, this is used for platinum, things of that nature. For general purpose work, you're not going to use this one right here. You're going to use your neutral or your working flame, which looks much more like this. And then when you do need to anneal, you're going to use your annealing flame, and it looks much more like this. So don't forget, flame control is everything. So let's try to master the 3 different types of flames, and we'll cover applications for them. And once you've done that, then you're well on your way to having flame control, which will save you a lot of aggravation down the road. Talk to you guys later.